with the classes, and the kids are so excited to be here and start with the camp. Everything's going great, and I hope they're having great fun. Bye!
Okay, so the class went really well today. I think they were a little bit shy because of course it is the first day, but I can see a lot of positive energy and they're really excited to learn and to have a lot of fun.
Hello, my name is Ethan and I'm in the mystery camp. I was here the last year and was funny.
Hello, my name is Martina and this camp is very cool. I go to play now.
Hello, my name is Claudia. I'm in the camping, mystery camp.